Okay, in subtraction of integers, meron tayong tatlong steps na sinusunod. Ito yung keep, change, and flip. So, halimbawa, positive 5 minus negative 6. So, you keep positive 5, you change minus into plus, and then flip the sign. Pag sinabing flip the sign, get the opposite of the sign, and then proceed to the addition of integers. So, we are adding the same sign. So, if they have the same sign, you add the numbers and affix their sign. So, 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, and then copy their sign. So, it is positive 11. Okay, number 2. Let's say, negative 5 minus negative 6. All we need to do is keep, change, flip. Okay, so it becomes addition of integers. Since that is addition of integers, if the signs that you're adding are different, then you subtract the numbers. So, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then affix the sign of the bigger number, which is 6, and that is positive. So, the answer is positive 1. Okay, for number 3, let's say number 3 is positive 5 minus positive 6. What will we do? Again, keep positive 5, change negative or change minus to plus, and then flip the sign of positive 6. And the opposite of plus is minus, so it becomes negative. Okay, it becomes addition of unlike signs. And as we said, if they have these different signs, and then we're going to subtract the numbers. So 6 minus 5 gives us 1. And then the sign of the bigger number, which is 6, and the sign of it is negative, you affix that sign, negative. So the answer is negative 1. So all I can say, there's no such thing of subtraction of integers, but you're going to solve that using addition, because we're going to change minus into plus. So don't forget, keep, change, flip, and then proceed to addition of integers.